You're on Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more tech reviews and tutorials. Before you start using Knackly, watch this honest review. In this video, we'll take a close look at Knackly, a document automation software. I've included links in the description for you to explore the product further. Knackly aims to simplify repetitive document creation for professionals like lawyers, accountants, consultants, and anyone handling large quantities of similar paperwork. Its key strength is the rapid creation of complex, customized documents using conditional logic. You create templates once and then generate client-specific or scenario-specific documents with a few clicks, saving significant time and reducing manual errors. This standardization is a major advantage for any firm looking to boost efficiency. Knackly boasts a user-friendly drag-and-drop interface for building templates and forms, making it accessible even for those less comfortable with technology. Furthermore, it integrates seamlessly with various CRM and database systems, enabling direct import of client information into documents, eliminating redundant data entry. The software offers cloud-based access, facilitating real-time collaboration and template updates from anywhere, which is essential for companies with remote teams or multiple locations. A significant benefit of Knackly is its workflow automation capability. You can design custom workflows to manage document creation from beginning to end, ensuring comprehensive oversight and preventing omissions. Moreover, Knackly's customer support is known for its responsiveness, a definite advantage for those new to document automation. It's worth noting, however, that Knackly's powerful customization features mean there's a learning curve involved in setting up templates precisely as needed. If you're seeking a solution to eliminate repetitive tasks, enhance productivity, and minimize errors, Knackly is definitely a tool to explore. Be sure to check the link in the description for more details on how Knackly can integrate into your specific workflow.